how to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the application Cash App with your account. Alright, so after you open the Cash App, you'll be able to see the dollar icon just at the bottom left corner of the screen. So simply tap on that dollar icon. Alright, so by tapping on that icon, you'll be able to see your cash balance. So from this section, you'll be able to find the options like Bitcoin. So it will under the section save and invest. So simply tap on that Bitcoin option. Alright, so from the Bitcoin section, you'll be able to see your Bitcoin from there. So to send the or to transfer the Bitcoin from your, you'll have to just tap on this down and up arrow just at the bottom. So simply tap on that down and up arrow. Alright, so from this section you'll got two options like send or receive. So simply you have to go with the option send. Alright, so now from here you'll have to set the Bitcoin in dollar, or as you can go with the option BTC. So in the dollar you'll have to set maximum $5 to transfer. So from here you'll have to choose the dollar and simply tap on next. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to type the wallet address, and after you type it you'll have to just check this options Bitcoin wallet address, and after you check this terms and condition you'll have to just tap on this next just at the top right corner. Okay, so from there you'll have to again verify with the dollar. So simply again you'll have to enter the $5 here, and from here tap on this pay option. And after you tap on that option, you'll be able to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video.